Hello everyone. So in this project we are going to display the motion sense by this motion sensor PIR sensor on the display. So this is our display. So how it works, basically the motion sensor will deliver the information to the microcontroller, and microcontroller is going to display that information via pin number 21 and 22 to this OLED display. Okay, this is how it works. Basically, these are the libraries you have to install. Okay, library number one and library number two before going to use the display. If you already have done, don't do this again. Okay, so let's go to this sketch and search Adafruit GFX. Okay, and this library you have to install. Another library you have to install is SSD1306. SSD1306 by Adafruit. Okay, we have to install this one, Adafruit. Okay, once it will be installed, everything will work okay. So here is the program which I have to provide. Okay, so let me copy this program and paste this program to this Arduino. Okay, what will be done? Let me upload this program to the microcontroller. When the program will be uploaded to the microcontroller, we can able to observe the output coming from the PIR sensor. So we have to wait for some minutes. So the program is uploaded now and our PIR sensor is working perfectly. So I will show you. Okay everyone, so motion sensor is working perfectly. So let me put something in, near the motion sensor, and it is showing that motion is there. Something is doing motion in front of what? Our motion sensor. Okay. So it is again showing the same when I move the pen near this motion sensor. Okay. Now let's talk about the connections. So here you can able to read this. So ground should be connected to the ground of the microcontroller. VCC should be connected to the VCC or 3.3 volt. SCL should be connected to the pin number 22 and SDA to the pin number 21. Let's talk about the PIR sensor. Okay, this is how it works basically. Okay, in PIR sensor there are the three different uh, output is coming. Sorry, three different pin are there. Okay, one should be used for the plus VCC, another should be used for the ground, and middle one will be always used for the output. Okay, output will be forwarded to the pin number 14. So this is how the motion sensor works. Any confusion you can ask me. Have a nice day.